Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Meks Journey here, PlannergirlMek on Instagram. Thank you so much for clicking on this channel. Today we are working with the home kit. It is the March Same But Different with the PlannerShack. If you are joining me from the PlannerShack Facebook group, hey ladies, how y'all doing? Each month we do a kit and we do a same but different. Everyone uses the same kit and we put our own flares on it. It's always fun to see what differences everyone does. So yes, let me just get right on into it. Right now I am putting together my sidebar. I already have my headers down, but this time I didn't use the glitter headers. I used the solid ones. I don't know why. I just wanted to do something a little different this time. But yeah, I did that, and I also went ahead and did my washi banner as well. But right now, last week, was it last week? Shantae from Shantae Plans did a layering class on Instagram, and she taught us a bunch of different ways to layer stickers together to make them, kind of make your planner spreads pop a little bit. So I wanted to bring that over into my digital format to see if it'll work, and it did, girl. So I love adding a little pop of flair into my plan with me using silhouette, and I was still able to join in on the layering fun. I felt like I was doing like a end of the year class assignment, like an end of a project for her class. And yeah, I really enjoyed it. I can't wait for her to do her next class. But now that my sidebar is done and all cute and stuff, I am gonna start trying to figure out where I want my full boxes. I am a foundation start person when I do my plan with me's. I have to have the basics down, and then I can write in what I did for that week, if anything. And this kit was perfect because I started my spring cleaning this week and started really working on some stuff. And I think this week I cleaned my living room, I cleaned all the windows, let some air in the house, and I deep cleaned my kitchen. I moved my stove and my refrigerator and cleaned behind those. Girl, if y'all don't do that, I would say once a month or every 2 to 3 months, move your stove, girl, in that refrigerator and clean it. Because, baby, let me tell you, I was like, oh, I need to start doing this more often. I need to get back on my schedule with my cleaning. I think I've just been working so much that I just kind of neglected a lot of things around the house. And it really got my attention when I started doing my spring cleaning. I was like, Lord, okay, I got to get better. So yeah, this kit was perfect because I was straight up just cleaning. I have been getting my cleaning life over here at the Meks Journey house. You know what I'm saying? But yes, so right here I am laying down some more of my layered things. I think this one has 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 things layered, and right here I'm taking these scalloped half circles and layering them together. That came out really cute. I really enjoyed that, and I, of course, you know me, I duplicated it several times to add it to my spread a few times because that's just my style. But yes, I'm just pulling together more stuff. So what is a game changer for y'all? What has to be clean, like, at all times? Like for me, each night I clean my kitchen. That is a must. So there wasn't too much to do with my kitchen. I just had to do like deep cleaning, like moving the refrigerator. I don't do that every time. And the stove. But for me, washing my dishes every night and then putting the dishes away the next morning out of the dishwasher or in the sink is something that I have to do, because if I don't do that, then it's just more work for me the next day. I'm learning to keep a schedule. It's important. But right here, I'm testing out some more layering things, and I don't think I ended up keeping up with that one. I'm sorry if you can hear my ice in my cup. I am actually upstairs in my bed with my whole little setup doing my voiceover because I cleaned up upstairs yesterday, and today is the 21st of March. This voiceover should have been done on Sunday, but your girl was too tired. Well, it is Sunday. It should have been done the following Sunday. Yeah. But yeah, so if you can hear my ice, I am so sorry, y'all. But right here, I just put down some more of those layerings, and I'm adding a different color variation to it. And it turned up a different way with those scallops. Y'all know I love my little half scallop circles, because I just figured out how to say it. So, but yes, I love those so much. And yeah, I really, really enjoyed doing something different in my silhouette plan with me. But I just wanted you guys to see that even though we're doing our plan with me's on silhouette, we can still layer stickers. We can still, play around with how they're placed on here. Even next week, I've been testing out different ways to do my washi banner, and with my next kit, I'm going to show you guys a different way to do your washi banner where you don't have to use the knife tool. It's so, so great. I did it with just stickers, placing it out in my planner, and I was like, oh my goodness, this is going to be even easier using it on silhouette. So I'm really excited to show you guys that. Just using the skills that I learned from that class and trying to, think outside the box. But also with this week, this was the 8th through the 15th, I believe. I am in the process of, opening my own shop, and it's not a sticker kit shop. It's more of a Bible journaling page. So it's not a full kit. It's just like some deco with some scripture. And part one of the kit is what you can use in your Bible, like if you have an illustrated Bible or any type of journaling Bible. And then part two of it is what you use in your journal, just to keep up with the way that I do my Bible journaling. I always have a page in my journal, and then I have a matching, more decorative one in my illustrated Bible. I will be doing a video on that soon to show you guys what will be released in the shop the first week. I'm very excited. I'm still working on the final touches. I wanted to open last week, but I had to stop and slow down to make sure everything is right, because I didn't want to mess up on anything, because I didn't want you guys to have any problems when you downloaded them, because it is a printable shop. And I'm still trying to figure out if I want to do printed, but I will let you guys be the judge of that once everything opens, and tell me what you guys want, and we'll just go from there. I'm basing it off of supply and demand. But yeah, so right now I am laying down my Plan With Me sticker that I got from, I believe that is from Sonia's freebie sheet, if I'm not mistaken. And I placed down a script, a silhouette Plan With Me. This is a clean house script. I believe, y'all, when I do my voiceovers, my screen for me to record is very, very tiny. So let me look at my book. Yeah, right now I'm laying down a date night, and then I laid down the silhouette Plan With Me. I just did the Amazon script with the little packages behind it, and right now I'm laying down my spa day, because listen, I had a full-on self-care Saturday on that day, and it was amazing. I did a facial, I did a manicure, pedicure, and I did the same with my daughter. I gave her a facial, manicure, pedicure. It was amazing. When I laid down to go to sleep that night, I felt like $1,000,000. I'm telling you, taking time to take care of self is a top priority for me. I did not realize how much my body needed that, just to take care of mommy. You know what I'm saying? Like I did everything for my daughter first, and then once I was done, I was like, all right, you go relax. Mommy's gonna go take care of mommy. But yes, that was fun. And right here, I am laying down the laundry day sticker from that Friday. Just I do laundry like I try to do a load a day or every other day, but there's always laundry going on in this house. Um, so yeah, and then here I'm just adding some deco, just making it pretty. Is what I do. I think I took that flour and I used the knife tool to slice some of it off so I can have it kind of like in a corner type feel. And yeah, I used that twice, maybe 3 times. No, I used it twice, just on the first side of the page. But yes, it's so cute. I am so sorry if y'all heard me. I'm drinking right now sweet tea at 7 o'clock in the morning. It's terrible. I should be drinking water. But right now I am laying down some cleaning gloves and a Facebook icon. And yeah, that last week was all about cleaning and self-care, girl, because it's something we all need, right? So here I am trying to just find some embellishments, and if I have long pauses in between my screen, it means that my kids came in and I was probably talking to them, but I'm back and getting my life together. But yes, this video is almost over, y'all. Oh, I always get sad when it's almost over. But that just means it's time for a new one. And I'm sorry this video is so late. You will probably be getting extras this week. Don't quote me on that, but I'm going to try. I have a bit more time to do more this week. So that should be fun. I'm sorry, my phone is all of a sudden people want to email me. I'm important. It's Sunday. But I just put down, I layered the florals with that my March script, and I ended up changing that half circle scallop to a solid color. I think I changed it to the lighter color to match the date covers again, just so it could not overpower the March. The colors can blend a little bit more. Yeah. So right there I do that and make that pop a little bit. Isn't that cute? I need to print out some date cover, like monthly scripts. There you go, for my bullet journal, which I can't wait to show you guys. Yay! But you guys, this video is coming to an end. I had so much fun chatting with you all, and hopefully you love this love kit. You can pick it up at the Planner Shack on Etsy, and you can save 35% by using PlannergirlMek 35, and also add my name in the comments, PlannergirlMek, so you can get my exclusive freebie. Yay! All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this. You are about to see a pop-up of the digital version of this kit, and then at the end, with a little music playing, you will see this in my planner. But yes, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. It really helps my channel when you like and you comment. Let me know that you are here. And yeah, this is about it. This kit is so beautiful. It's just, it speaks to you once it all comes together, and I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness, I can never go wrong with the Planner Shack kit. I just love it so much. Here I'm trying to figure out why the black is so dark on my lines, but that's something I'm gonna have to play with later when I redo my kit format, which is in the works, and I will have it in my shop. But ignore all that extra stuff that's going on. I'm just playing around, tweaking with it. But okay, you guys, I am out of here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will chat with you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.